Okay guys, the water bath is ready for the jars. I'll put them in this basket. I'll try that. Got to slide the water bath over a little bit. And she is boiling. And now we're gonna take this, set her down into the water. Then we gotta add more water. You can see the little jar is covered, but the big jar still needs about another inch of water in there. So we're going to add water. Hot water. Till the quart jar's got about an inch of water in there. Now we're going to put the lid back on. Slide it back over here, over the fire. We're going to start timing 30 minutes. Let's hear that. Let's just do 50. Let's start it. And we'll wait for the jars to get heated up.